Excited today. It's Fantastic Friday, and we have a great show lined up for you. And because we do, I'm going to just take a really brief sound check in a second. But we have upped our game a little bit to 28 days of inventory. We listed 58 homes yesterday that are $475,000 and under. So let's see if you can hear me. Come on, Facebook. Okay, let's see. Can you hear me? Sound check. Yes, you can. Okay, great. Okay, won't delay the show anymore with that. And we have 738 homes available that are under $475,000 and under. So that's 29% of the available single-family homes. That's pretty good. That's pretty good, really. What else is remarkable? Oh my gosh, we listed 144 total homes yesterday, which is awesome. Now, I will tell you that 3% of the 58, or 5% of the 58 were open door, and that amounted to 3. So 3 out of the 58 were open door homes. I perused through them quickly. I didn't see where Zillow had listed any yesterday or OfferPad. So anyway, Alexis Rogers is up there doing her job listing homes. Anyway, we have 512 sales so far, which gives us 102 daily sales. We are ahead of last year so far. I know it's early hasn't even been a week in this month, but that's encouraging. A lot of times it takes more than 5-6 days to get above the previous month if we're going to get there. But it looks like we're headed in the right direction, which is good. Those $1 million homes plus are flying off the market, almost 5.5. It's 4.43. So that continues to be part of our sales and our dynamic market that we have here. Today, I want to show you a little bit about what NAR has to say LVR, excuse me, slow down, Ruth. These just came out. This wasn't out yesterday because I try to check during the beginning of the month so that I know when April stats come out the previous month. So they're saying that, of course, 475 was the median price. The new listings were 499. The median price of units available, including offers, was 515. Yeah, I think that's an interesting number. I wish Jimmy here would chime in, but I think that's an interesting number. The median price, including offers, was 515,000. So, and that's up 3% from last year, from last month. But look at this, 30.4% growth from April of 2021. That means that the price has gone up that much since a year ago in this statistic, meaning availability, including offers, median price last year was 30% less. And what's 30% of, that's a huge number. Jimmy usually does my math for me, but yeah, that was a huge number. Excluding offers, median price last month, excluding offers, median price of units available was 589. Wow. Oh my goodness. And that was up 18% from last April. So moving down, we have homes selling faster this year. Look at this. They're selling faster this year than last year. Oh, Jimmy Dake is here. Great, Jimmy. Great. Jimmy was there. So happy you're here. I wanted you to remark on, can you hear me?
Yeah.
I wanted to remark on this one statistic, and that is that the LVR just came out with their April statistics. So I check normally the first day of every new month to see when they come out. And the interesting thing, Jimmy, is the median price of units available, including offers, was 515,000 in April. And that is a 30% increase over last April. So I was saying, I wish Jimmy were here. He'd tell me what that 30% meant. So last year, if it's 515 this year, which is 30% higher, what was it last year was my question.
Well, that's $45,000 difference. 55, let's see, 3 times 15, it's 150,000.
Yes.
It's 150,000.
That's what I thought,
yes.
But I didn't want to say it.
Yes,
That's
150,000.
huge. That's
Yes.
unbelievable. Yeah. And I made pictures out of these, and I'm going to put them on the group for everybody if you want to use these as well as our stats. And the number of new listings, we're ahead. We're ahead a little bit. Look at that. I know I did this for you too because I know you like charts. I have a
I
harder
do.
time reading charts than you do. But availability excluding offers is 241. That's about what we have. That's about what we're saying. We're saying 2563 this year, this May. Last month, it was 2441 excluding offers. That was the average for April. But the number of new listings is up, which you know how happy that makes me. Yay. Yay. And we did list 144 homes yesterday, Jimmy, which is awesome.
Good.
Yes. Yeah. That was awesome. An awesome number. And I'm rushing a little bit because I want to get to the main event here today, but I'm going to post these stats for you all. This just shows the availability times on market. Our time on market is much less than it was last year.